New English learner.
What is the reason behind it?
Going outing
Bike
like
is
a
might be fun and eco-friendly. Of family member is matter a lot. Will get the more additional frugal spader who really does not believe in wasting a lot of money with unnecessary things as well. Okay, so ma'am, very good afternoon. How are
good
you?
afternoon. I'm absolutely fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And how was your day in the morning teaching you so far?
It's good. It's as usual.
Okay,
And yes,
your channel name is
new English, new English learner.
okay, New English Lana. So, what is the reason behind it?
Because I am a new English learner.
But
Yes.
you are not looking like that. You are a new English learner. Your speaking is quite well because I have seen some of your videos with the Dhyati ma'am. So it was great conversation. Yeah.
Yes, but I observe whatever I observe through my journey. So I feel that whatever I face problems, so that's why according to that I gave this name, New English Learner.
Okay. So, okay, I got your point. So let me ask you one thing that
Yes,
when you will be very fluent with this language, maybe within couple of months later, so
yes,
then you will change your channel name.
yes. Why not? I will
Yeah.
change my channel name.
Very expert learner.
I think
Or
I would try to change like a super housewife. Yes,
super housewife. Yeah,
yes,
really, it's a unique name.
yes.
Okay. So, ma'am, where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pooja Upadhyay. I am from Mumbai, and as far as my qualification concerned, I am a graduate in commerce, and I am a housewife at this time. I have two kids, and if I talk about my hobbies, I like reading book and drawing craft. You can see this painting.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
have made
Okay.
this. Yes, and dance. That's my short introduction.
Okay. So, in which year did you pass out your graduation?
In which year?
Yeah,
2011.
2011. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you want me introduce myself as well?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah. Because to be very honest, I don't have any introduction. No.
No problem. If you give me your introduction, so I will learn that how unique way you are introducing yourself. So it is
Okay.
great
So,
for me.
okay. Basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata, and in terms of my profession, so I am a driver.
Okay.
And about me, in terms of my academic credentials, so I have just completed 10th class standard,
Okay.
and now I do run a YouTube channel which is based on spoken English. So
Yes.
what is the opportunity I'm getting
Yes.
to conduct the session with YouTuber or any tutor? So definitely I would like to upload on my channel, because many people they want to keep learning through this conversation, no? So that's
Yes.
why I want to represent my channel. How can we communicate in the better way, right?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay.
It's great. It's a uh, great to know you. That's wonderful. What's the topic? I have a specific topic, and if you have, then you can suggest.
No, actually today, this morning you have said one topic, no?
Yes,
Okay, so which vehicle do you prefer to go outing with your family, bike
yes,
or car,
car.
right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, so I can go through the topic because I'm free for everything. So we
yes,
can discuss about the topic as well, because
yes,
you have already said it in
yes,
this morning. So hiking is my one of the part of my journey. So I really love to the hiking, but it's only slow traveler. You can consider me to that. Yeah.
So my question is, if you get some time, for going outing like a picnic or somewhere else with your family. So which vehicle do you prefer?
If you are planning to short trip to near any park or any bazaar, or if you want to go any market, so definitely bike is might be fun and eco-friendly option. But there is many option available here because number of family members matter a lot. Because if you have a large family, so a car is likely more suitable for the choice as you accommodation, and you will get the more additional space to sit. And
Yes,
weather condition is matter a lot because weather condition is on your outing. If you
yes,
think that I'm going to out and somewhere, but weather conditions matter, I think that if you will not suitable with the weather, so you cannot go through the bike, no.
yes,
You can be drenched with the rainy water. So that's
yes.
why mostly I prefer to go with my car. It's too much expensive if you want to go through the car. I am a frugal spader who really does not believe in wasting a lot of money with unnecessary things as well.
Okay, okay, that's good. And if according to me, if you ask me, then I would say that bike is better for me. It's like picnic we are doing in a
Mm,
park or somewhere like a temple. So at that time I prefer bike because it is very easy to reach it soon, and as well as
mm,
we can easily cross traffic. We can easily cross traffic because it is
mm.
a very less place it take, bike take, and
Uh-huh.
car takes lots of place. And
I would
yes,
like to pick up one questions that now you are based from Mumbai, I think that. So
yes,
Mumbai is one of the most important city that they are not that much cold. I think that
no, no,
always it.
here
Yeah,
yes, in Mumbai temperature is always normal.
there is,
Not
yeah,
yes,
weather is moderate.
yes,
So as far as my concern that if you think about my site, so actually sometime we are dealing with this intensive cold, right?
yes,
So if you want to go in very morning, so then you cannot prefer to go with the bike, no? If you have any
yes,
kids or anything else. So that's the
yes,
reason sometimes we need to go through the car. Because and my local area road are
yes,
not that much organized. It can be organized, but sometimes
yes,
it is quite detrimental for us if you want to go any other village as well. So we cannot
yes,
use our car, right?
yes, yes.
For the road area because it's not that much organized. Yeah.
Yes. So that's why people using bike
Mm,
more than car in a village or somewhere whereas a road is not proper. So they use bike or cycle. But in our area, in Mumbai, in my locality, if someone is very fond of visiting all over, so they use bike more than car. So it
yeah.
is I also enjoy bike riding, but I don't know how to ride, but my with my husband. So it is a wonderful experience to visit, and you can go anywhere to buy something easily, and
Mhm.
it's convenient for my family actually.
Since you have been practicing a long time, while you were thinking that I need to practice, so that time you have purchased or already you had it?
No, when I started, when I feel that this speaking is very important for my
Mm,
career, so then I started learning from grammar book, and then I completed grammar completely. But even then, I was not able to speak. I couldn't speak anything. Just I was reading, writing, and I was not able to speak. So then I feel that let's speak, and then someone I'm learning from the YouTube. So many YouTuber suggest that in their video, read a book. It is a very important. So
mm,
I thought that let's try this technique,
Okay,
and
okay.
it's work. Yes, it's
So
work.
I think that now you are predicting me that I need to read book, right?
Yes, yes. So my next question is, how you build your vocabulary, how you find new vocabulary every day.
Yeah, today in this conversation, I think I didn't use that much vocabulary. If I will go through the advanced level vocabularies as well. So vocabularies is an integral part in our life, no, while you are
Yes,
speaking. Because if you will present for me any topics, so then definitely I have to speak more and more. So
yes,
that time we needed some vocabularies as well. And sometime I'm getting some foreigner people. So that's how I learned something from them. Yeah, I did well. Actually,
okay,
when you will listen something more and more, so
yes,
it will fix your massive memory, no? So you will never
yes.
gonna forget it. So that's the reason somehow I have been to their cultures couple of years. So that's the reason I'm quite familiar with this new words.
Okay, so that's good. It means that you practically learn and practically do practice every day.
Not every day because I am conducting a session weekly, one or at least two like that. I'm not like you. It is nothing compared to you that you are conducting the session on daily basis because you have that much time. So that's the reason you can do that. So I'm totally exceptional because I'm always occupied with my work. So that's
Um,
really better a lot. Yeah.
Yes, but every learner, whoever is learning this language, they all are, I think, engaged with something other work.
Hmm.
So our purpose is to speak fluent. So
Yes.
somehow we have to manage all the work
Hmm.
and start speaking, start learning. So it is all need to do, and that's what I'm doing because I'm a housewife 24 into 7. I am also busy, but somehow I take some time from my work and trying to learn this language.
Yeah, you are doing great job. You already told you have two kids, so you need to take care of them.
Yes,
So yeah. Along with that, you are doing great job. Actually you have keen to learn this language, so definitely you have decided so well thing because
yes,
self improvement it's not bad at all. You can
yes,
it's doesn't matter that where you are from and you are no longer to experience something. It could be well-being for your career or for your family members
yes,
because something you can change your in your future plan because you have definitely planned with your child. You want
yes,
actually you wanted to look somewhere them, so you can support them as a learner. So you can teach them so many things as well. So it's a great journey and tremendously superb. I'm totally appreciative you, ma'am.
yes, yes. So it is our practice. We are in a journey of learning. So it's all up to us how
Okay.
we do our practice.
Okay, ma'am. So today we shall wrap up this session because it is
Okay,
going too long. So thank
okay,
you.
okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Okay.
much for joining me, and
Yeah,
have a great day.
it's my pleasure. Thank you.